You've probably seen those AI-generated cat short videos floating around the internet, hilarious yet remarkably authentic. But have you ever wondered how to create them yourself? In this video, I'll walk you through the steps to craft your very own viral cat short videos using AI technology. First, open Google Chrome and search for Ideogram AI. Open the Ideogram AI website and log in with your Gmail account. After logging in, adjust the image ratio and model visibility, set to public or private. In the prompt bar, type the following prompt or use your own. An orange chubby cat is fighting with a street dog in the dark night. Bad weather, rain, 8K. Then, click on the Generate button. Keep the orange chubby cat and replace the other elements according to your scene. And just wait for the rendering results. Now download the image you think is better for your video or regenerate it. Okay, let's edit this prompt to generate more scenes. This time, I've added saving his kitten. All right, this time we've got some good results. Please use your imagination and create your own story. But let's keep the main character from the prompt and replace the story scene. Okay. This time, I'm adding that the cat is driving a bike with his kitten. Keep in mind that I haven't touched the first part of the prompt or the last part. I'm just changing the scene for the story. The second tool is Bing Image Generator. Just copy the same prompt and paste it into Bing Image Creator. Okay. After creating all the images, it's time to animate these images. To animate these images, go to Hyper AI and create a free account. Then, click on Animate Your Image and upload the AI cat images. After that, click on the Create button. Repeat the same step to animate all the images. To save time, I've already animated these images. Now, download the animated video and import it into CapCut. After importing all the videos, drag them onto the timeline and adjust their timing. Add transitions and animation effects to each clip to enhance visual appeal. Then, incorporate background music to make the video more engaging. Once everything is in place, your video is ready to be exported. This is the complete method to create an AI cat viral short video for YouTube. I hope you liked it and will subscribe to my channel for more videos.